Ever wondered how cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin keep track of all transactions? Today on Block Basics, we're explaining what a ledger is in blockchain and why it's so important, in the simplest way possible. Think of a ledger like a digital notebook. It records every transaction that happens on the blockchain. Unlike a regular notebook, this one is public, secure, and shared with everyone in the network. Every time someone sends or receives crypto, it's written in the ledger, so everyone can see it and no one can cheat. The ledger is the backbone of a blockchain. It keeps track of all transactions, prevents fraud or double spending, ensures transparency and trust. Without a ledger, crypto wouldn't work. It's like trying to use money with no receipts. Ledgers can be public or private. Public ledger equals anyone can view and verify transactions. Private ledger equals only selected people can access it. Bitcoin uses a public ledger, while some companies use private ledgers for internal purposes. Blockchain ledgers have three key features. Decentralized, stored across many computers. Immutable, once written, it cannot be changed. Transparent, everyone can verify transactions. These features make blockchain secure, trustworthy, and reliable. A ledger equals digital notebook for transactions. Records every crypto transaction publicly or privately. Blockchain ledger is decentralized, immutable, and transparent. It's the backbone that keeps crypto working. If this video helped you understand what a ledger is, hit like, subscribe to Block Basics, and comment Ledger Explained below. See you in the next video.